whenever you want to defrost steak, chicken, whatever, put it on a piece of metal. Don't just put it on a plate. Put it on a piece of metal. They sell these things, these metal things, I don't know, $10, $20, that are really a waste of money. All you need is any kind of metal. The metal absorbs all the cold, and I think it'll defrost in about an hour, maybe an hour, 15 minutes. And that's pretty quick. I'm doing this outside the refrigerator. I'm not sure how quick it'll defrost in the refrigerator. I'll try that one day. But just put it on a piece of metal. If you don't put a lid on it, it may defrost quicker. If you put a lid on it, it'll prevent bacteria from getting to the meat. But that's what you need to do. Put it on a piece of metal.